He's definitely the biggest kid in there. It's that way, isn't it? No, it's this way, buddy. Come on. It says spread love. Oh, they're Ohlone warriors.
Yeah, let's go camping. Mommy can walk downhill all day. It's just up there.
Nathan. Nathan.
Go walk with Noah.
Nathan. Nathan.
Nope. Don't eat the tree. Go walk with your brother.
Nathan. Are you an Ohlone warrior? Yeah.
Be my big 6-year-old.
He's a big boy. The big warrior.
We should do this every week, Daddy. After class.
It's a red-headed Ohlone.
Huh?
Yeah, we should do it every day after class.
Every day? Every week?
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Shh. It's every day.
This is nice going downhill, though. I can do this. It's all day, all day. Look at all the pretty redwoods.
Come on, buddy. Catch up with your brother.
Nathan, you know, not everybody has redwoods where they live or oceans.
Pretty much no one.
We have the redwoods, we have the ocean, we have the rivers.
Noah, slow down. You're way too fast. Wait for us old people. Yeah, run back up. Get rid of that energy.
Yep, you got it, Noah. Up and down and up and down.
I need to put like a spout if I can bottle the energy.
Dad, a little more.
Oh, I didn't see him.
Go.
How far apart are they?
3 years. 3 and 6. Oh.
Oh, you're almost out the forest.
His age, and like my youngest was, I think 3 at the time, was running off, and he was probably too big for him. I don't know how he just fall down the side.
That's what boyhood's all about. Yeah, you're almost out the forest, teenage. You only got a couple years left.
I know. Crazy.
It goes by fast. Oh yeah.
Nathan, no, I'm gonna go with him.
Don't pet without asking. Always gotta ask first. Thanks, guys.
You wanna run back up there a minute?
Don't pet without asking, Noah.
Bob's Bridge. I don't know why my kids want that.
Nathan, go that way. Nathan, look.
Bob's Bridge. You too. Good luck. Yeah, we just gotta wait here. And next time we should go all the way. We'll bring you some ice water, Mommy, and a chair, little folding chair. That way, Mommy can take little breaks.
Yeah, next time we'll bring.
Oh, yeah, I have a little folding chair we could bring.